Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful day and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about like the power of simplification and how you can implement this in your online business to reach your goals much faster. So we are in an online marketing world where we are being pitched with every single day new offers and new business opportunities, new different strategies to grow our business, and it's very easy to get overwhelmed and we don't take any action at all. So it's very important that to stay focused, and how one of the best ways to stay focused is like use the power of simplification. So it's nothing but like to simplify everything that you're doing. So I'm going to cover a few of the topics related to this principle that can actually help you results get much faster. So please make sure you stay till the end, and also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be talking more about sales funnel, email marketing and some mindset stuff related in order to grow your online business. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also if you need any type of help with your online business, be sure to schedule a first link in the description. We can have a one-on-one, we can have a strategy call where we will see like how we can help you. And coming back to today's topic, like as I told you, like it's very easy to get overwhelmed because every day we get new opportunities, new strategies in order to grow, but at the same time we have only very limited resources, and we need to be very careful like where we are going to use those resources. So let's consider like if you want to lose weight, or like you went to some program and they told to do 100 different things, like go and buy these organics or organic food and do these exercises and so, and you are like, okay, if I do this I'm going to lose in this much time. So you get excited and do it for the 1 week or 2 week or maybe month, then again you go ahead and quit that. So it shouldn't be like that. And because what happens, like when you have too many things in order to do, like you feel like, oh my god, like it sounds easy in the beginning, like after some days, like sometimes like you feel it's too complicated and then you want to give up. So in order to avoid that, like what you can do is you can simplify those things. So in order to lose weight, like you just need to a simple suggestion like fitness coach like he gave was like eat less calories than your maintenance. Like maintenance is like to how much calories you need in order to run your day, and each less calories than that and hit your gym on a daily basis. And you don't have to do 20 exercises. You come up with fitness videos all the time on your YouTube feed. You don't have to do all those. Like simply make a list of the exercises that can push-ups or like. So there are so many simple tasks, like you can just make a list and start doing it on a daily basis and eat less calories. Definitely you will lose weight. And same in the place of online marketing in your online business as well. So you don't have to be doing all the things at a time. Like if you buy a course and if somebody tells you, okay, go ahead and create your Instagram profile and create Facebook group and YouTube and blogging and crazy sales funnel, run ads. If you want to do everything at once, like you're not going to go anywhere, and you just feel overwhelmed and you feel like this is not for you, and you don't see any momentum whatsoever, and you feel like you tend to quit. So in order to avoid that, like what you can do is like you're going to follow one person, one coach in your online business, like who is already successful in whatever approach you are going to take, and like whatever things that he's following, be it on principle or on daily task, like you just need to write down the same task, be it on content creation, creating daily one video, building your list, or maybe learning a new skill that can actually help you improving your personal development. So there are so many simple tasks. Like once I started doing this, like I just made a simple list, like read 10 pages of personal development book, work out for 45 minutes, make one video, and simple tasks. Like you just make a list, and once you start adding them, once you start implementing them on a daily basis, like you may not see the results in the short term, but in the long run, like these tasks are going to yield you results. And also if you keep this simple, like you don't want to be thinking like how do I get my 10k in a month on day one. Like you just be focusing on those daily tasks, finish it up, go for the next day, again finish it up. So by doing this, what will happen is like you are actually starting to see the momentum, and you don't feel like you are overwhelmed, and you always feel like you are already always making progress. And if you come across any screenshot or any Facebook group like, hey, I got this new hack from Clubhouse, now that's the new trending, I got this new hack from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, there are so many people are going to come and pitch in front of you, like they're going to show this is working for me, that is working for me. So all you need to just avoid all those, just focus on your mentor, like what he has taught, and just follow the methods that already proven to work, and make a list of the things. And even if you feel like you're making the things very simple, still try to make it simplify, like how we can make things more simplify, and make a list of the things that you should be following on a daily basis. And once you do it for a month or two, for 6 months, you will see massive results in your online business. This is a short video I just wanted to shoot. I hope you're getting value from this video, guys. And if you need any type of help with your online business, be sure to schedule a free strategy call. I'll leave my first link in the description. And if you want to connect with me, you can always email me. I'll leave my email address. And if you're enjoying this content, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.